Okay, I'm done with step 7. I fastened 4 legs, main legs or feet. I think they called feet in manual. And I will step in step 8, and I will further secure with 2 bolts from both sides, from here and from here. Okay, so, and I need lot of these bolts. So in this pack, they left it's C, bolt C, so 2 bolts on each leg. And a little bit about step 7, how I put bolts on. So the bottom, it's actually bolt pair. So this is nut and this is bolt. So you need to use 2 hex tool, and they provided, so we have 2 hex. So you use here 1 hex tool and here at the same time to secure bottom, and use hex tool and this big bolt, just 1 bolt here. So it took maybe 20 minutes to bolt on 4 feet to the frame. So let's continue with step 8, with step 8, and we see result in step 9.